For Windows, we use Notepad or Notepad++ to edit any text file. As it is in Linux, we use VI or Vim or Nano for editing any text file. Why we need to understand 2 or 3 text editor? Because in Linux system, sometimes some machine Nano is available, other tools are not available. Some machine has a Vim available, other text editor like Nano is not available. That time for doing faster troubleshoot, we need to have issued minimum 2 tools. That's why in this video we will understand VI, Vim and Nano. VI and Vim is the same tool. Vim is the advanced version of the VI. As it is, Nano is a different text editor. Windows have a Notepad++ that is more powerful than your Notepad. Vim is same kind. Vim is a very powerful tool rather than Nano. We will create a file with the Vim. First of all, see the Vim. Vim is VI improved version. Here we create a file with Vim text editor. Test file .txt. txt extension is optional, so you can use it or not, it doesn't matter. I'm always use the extension because it's very helpful to understand. Press enter. Now our text editor is open in CLI mode. We want to write something. For insert anything in the text editor, press I for insert. After pressing I, you will see the tag insert. Now I am write something like hello world. After writing anything, we need to save. For saving, press escape :W. W for write. Write means is and save. After save, this file should be closed. Q for quiet. It means save and close. Now here the text file is present. Now we will read the file. See, the hello world is here. Sometimes we mistakenly write something in here. That time we want to close this file or we want to cancel this edit. Press escape and Q for quiet. Don't save, it's just quiet the file. And see, the error is happening. Sometimes the file will not be closed, some reason. That time we have to forcefully close this file. How we can do that? :Q and then bang sign. Enter. It's forcefully closed. Now we read this file. There is no changes. So now we will work with a bigger file so that we will learn some different command to do the difficult thing easy. So Vim and then bigger file. I have opened that file. This file is too big. Since it's very big, first of all, we will set the line number. For set the line number, press escape set number and press enter. It will set the number immediately. After set the number, we want to go 600 number line and type 600 and press enter. Now I am in 600 number line. Now I want to edit this line. Press I for insert and then type anything. This is big file. Press escape and WQ for write and quiet. Now again I open the file, read the 600 number line. See, the changes is save. Now we will find anything from the bigger file. Press escape / and then C131. Whatever you want to search, just like that. After that, you can see the all are matched keyword are highlighted. So now I want to jump the line. If you press the enter, it will not jump the keyword. Press N for jump forward. It's forward. Jump where the keyword is matched. Okay, and press Shift+n for upward. By default, Vim searching tool are case sensitive. For example, I want to see the cells. SALES, cells. The cells are highlighting. Now I am doing the S, capital S, capital S. It immediately shows the not found. I want to do it case insensitive. So for case insensitive, press \C. Now my searching tool are working as a non-case sensitive. Again the same rule, enter and then N for forward, Shift+n for backward. Now we want to perform search and replace. To do search and replace, press escape, %s slash whatever keyword you want to find, SALES, sales. With sales, I want to replace with revenue. And then again press slash and use G for global. Now it will replace all sales with the revenue. Okay, press enter. Now it's replaces all sales with revenue. So now if you search the sales, you will not found anything. When you search the revenue, so our revenue is here. To do that, I want to forward, press N to forward, press Shift+n to backward, press :Q, bang sign and enter. It will close the file. We have learned to set the number, set the line number, set no number for unset the line number, slash and then keyword for searching, %s slash keyword slash replace and slash small g. It will replace the keyword globally. If you don't want to globally replace the file, just do that command. It will work one by one. Now we will talk about the Nano text editor. Nano is also a good text editor, but it's not advanced like Vim. But most of the work have been done with the Nano also. So here is two file that we previously see. We will edit the test file. So do editing in a Nano and then test file .txt. It will open the file with the Nano. By default don't need to press any key to insert anything like Vim. When we previously see when we want to write anything inside the text file, we have to go insert mode by pressing I. But in the Nano, by default you are in insert mode, so you can insert. So I am in Nano. Now for write, press Ctrl O. Ctrl O for actually save that file, and then press enter to save. Now it's have been saved. Now press Ctrl X to close that file. So if I read this file, test file, see the file have been edited. As of now we want to do bigger operation, we need bigger file. That's why the bigger file is here. So we will open nano bigger file. Here is the file is open. So now if you want to search anything inside the nano, press Ctrl F. By pressing Ctrl F, the searching option is here. I want to search Taka and press enter to search. Taka is not found because Taka don't exist inside the text file. Again Ctrl F, fixed. For example, I want to search the fixed and enter. Now the fixed, we found the fixed with highlighted. Now we want to repeat the search or we want to forward. So Ctrl F for forwarding the search. Shift+Alt F for backward. Now I want to replace fixed with something, anything we want to replace. So for replacement we have to press Ctrl and then backslash. Ctrl and backslash, the replacement option is here. So I want to replace fixed with what? Press enter. After pressing enter, the replace with keyword is here. So for what? Fix 1 2 3 5 4 and then press enter to replace. Here is the 4 option. Y for confirmation, it will be replaced. A for all, N for no, and Ctrl C for cancel. First of all we press Y for replace just one keyword. Press Y. Now it's replace. I don't want to take hassle, so I'm going with all. Press A. After pressing A, you see the all text are replaced with fix 1 2 3 4 5. As of now it's enough. For any text editor, you just need to understand how to write inside the text editor, how to save it, how to exit, how to find a specific keyword, and how to replace the specific keyword with another keyword. I think I covered these 4 things in this video. So for close, press Ctrl X, and then I don't want to modify, I just want to close. So press N and it will be closed.